Breakfast is the most essential meal of the day. So, it is necessary that you start your day with a healthy and nutritious breakfast which will leave you charged throughout the day. Oatmeals is one of the healthiest grains, loaded with fiber and protein, which will help you in combating different diseases. Imagine what will happen to your body if you eat oatmeal every day. You're not sure? In this video, we are going to explain some great advantages of eating oatmeals every day. Before we take a look these, press the bell notification to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Alright, let's dive into it. Number 7. Added nutrients to your body. Oats are a whole grain food that is full of nutritious minerals. They are a good source of fiber, carbs and proteins. A half cup contains 34% of RDI magnesium, 41% phosphorus, 199% manganese, 20% iron, 39% vitamin B1, 24% copper, 20% zinc, 10% vitamin B5 and 11% folate. Along with that, a half cup of oats will also have 51 grams carbs, 8 grams of fiber, 13 grams protein, with only 303 calories. They are nutritiously dense and highly beneficial for the human body. Number 6. Beneficial antioxidants. If you thought that fruits are only rich sources of antioxidants, then you are wrong. Studies have revealed that oats are the powerhouse of antioxidants, polyphenols and a unique antioxidant group avananthamides. All the antioxidants in the oatmeals help in combating free radicals, which are the cause of cancer, heart diseases and diabetes. Notably, avananthamides are present only in the oats. So, you better start stirring your oatmeals every day after learning the benefits of avananthamides. They help in lowering blood pressure and increase the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide dilates the blood vessels and helps in smoother blood flow. Number 5. Feeling more energy. Oats are a fulfilling diet, and due to the presence of a variety of minerals, you'll feel more energy to go about your day. The higher viscosity of the oatmeals fills your stomach. The viscosity is present due to a special fiber called beta-glucan, which adds consistency to the oats. Beta-glucan only partially dissolves in water and makes a thick gel-like solution in the gut, making your stomach full. Moreover, the complex carbs in oatmeals take time to break down along with various minerals. This is why oatmeals keep you energized for a longer time. Number 4. Weight loss. If you are eating oatmeal every day, you would see yourself lose a few pounds. Since oatmeals are filling due to beta-glucan, your stomach delays the time before you feel the need to eat again. Beta-glucan also releases a satiety hormone which makes your stomach feel full. So, in the long term, you intake fewer calories and lose weight. Although some people adopt oatmeals as a 3-time meal for a diet, doctors advise against it. Oatmeals are a low-calorie diet, so surviving on 3 small-calorie portions throughout the day is dangerous for health. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol and risk of heart diseases. The beta-glucan fiber in oats is beneficial for various reasons. Besides helping in the feeling of fullness, beta-glucan lowers LDL cholesterol in the body as well. The LDL cholesterol oxidizes with free radicals, leading to heart diseases. Beta-glucan and other antioxidants in the oats fight the free radicals and prevent heart diseases. They cure the inflammations in heart and arteries, tissues to lower the risk of stroke or heart attack. The bad cholesterol is excreted from the body, significantly reducing the LDL cholesterol in the blood. Number 2. Promotes good gut and colon health. Another benefit of beta-glucan in oats is that it promotes a good gut. The inner lining of the stomach is also protected with a gel-like substance. So, beta-glucan's gel is protective and acts as a potential prebiotic. According to Healthline, it is helpful for people suffering from constipation, since beta-glucan gel acts as a natural laxative. Even if you don't have constipation, you should still add oats to your daily diet because it relieves the colon and prevents coeliac diseases. Number 1. Lowers blood sugar. Eating oatmeal every day also helps in lowering your blood sugar. If you are a type 2 diabetes patient, make oatmeal an essential part of the diet. The beta-glucan lowers blood sugar levels and also improves insulin sensitivity. The beta-glucan's gel delays the emptying of the stomach, slowing down the absorption of glucose into the blood. And that's a wrap of today's video. What are your favorite additions to your oatmeal? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.